Next example is the perimeters of a square and rectangle are same and area of a square is 100 meter square more than area of rectangle. Find difference between length and breadth of a rectangle. Let ABCD be any square of side A and EFGH is a rectangle. EFGH is a rectangle of length L and breadth B. We have to find what is the difference between L and B. This we have to find, and given to us is perimeter of square. माने 4A is equal to twice of L plus B. Perimeter of square and rectangle are same. So 2A is equal to L plus B and A is equal to L plus B by 2. First point is. Second point is area of square is A square and area of rectangle is LB. So A square minus LB is equal to 100. It is given. A square minus LB is equal to 100. It is given. L plus B by 2 whole square minus LB is equal to 100. So L square plus B square plus 2LB by 4 minus LB is equal to 100. Take LCM 4, it becomes L square plus B square plus 2LB minus 4LB is equal to 100. Send this 4 here and it becomes now L square plus B square, combine these two, it is minus 2LB is equal to 400. So L minus B square is equal to 400. Taking under root on both sides, this will be 20. So L minus B is 20 finally. We cannot find L and B separately, but the difference between L and B is 20 meter is my answer, right? Now, इस बेसिक के बाद आप इसके लिए एक ट्रिक तैयार करेंगे. Important trick is when perimeter of square and rectangle are same, area of square is more than area of rectangle. It is always. So the difference between area into 4 and take under root is the directly L minus B होगा. Finally, use this trick. It is very beneficial, right? Take this example. A square is made on the diagonal of a given square. It means first a square is given. Let ABCD is a given square. Calculate perimeter and area ratio of given square, means ABCD is given, to that of made on diagonal of given square. So first join AC and it is diagonal. इस diagonal को बेस मान के एक दूसरा स्क्वायर आप बनाओगे, that is CAEF, right? So we have to find perimeter ratio, ABCD ratio CAEF. Okay. Let side of ABCD is 1. You can assume 1XA anything. So diagonal is root 2. And root 2 is the side of newly made square. So perimeter of ABCD is 4 into 1 and this is 4 into root 2. In ratio, no need to write 4. It is finally 1 ratio root 2. Means ratio of sides is ratio of their perimeters, right? Half work is done. Second, area ratio of square ABCD ratio CAEF, right? Side of ABCD is 1, so 1 square. Side of CAEF is root 2, so it is root 2 square. So it is 1 ratio root 2, right? Area of newly made square is twice of given square ABCD, right? you can directly use them as a formula, right? Let's see. New example is the perimeter of a square and an equilateral triangle are same. Calculate their area ratio. Let ABCD is a square and PQR is an equilateral triangle having same perimeter. So let us assume side. Let A is side of square and B is side of rectangle. So we are given perimeter are equal means 4A is equal to 3B. So what is A ratio B? It is 3 ratio 4, right? So if 3 is the side of square, so 4 is the side of triangle, or area of square ratio area of triangle. This is 3 into 3, right? Side square, and 3 by 4 of A square, 4 into 4. So 4 cancel out. So 9 ratio 4 root 3 is my area ratio, right? और इट मे बी ऐसा ना छोड़ के वो ये कर सकते हैं, इसको क्या लिखवा दें, देखो दोबारा से हम बात करें तो इसको लिखवा सकते हैं इस 3 को √3 इंटू √3 और ये 3 एज इट इज छोड़ दिया, है ना? सो क्या शक्ल बनी, √3 इंटू √3 रेशो √3 इंटू 4, राइट? √3 cancel out. It is 3 √3 ratio 4. Both are same, but which one is in option? We have to check that option, right? This is your answer. My next question is calculate area ratio of inner circle to that of circumcircle of a square. So what is the meaning of inner circle and circumcircle? First let's see. Let ABCD is a square and draw a circle inside which touches all 4 sides. This is in circle. Draw another circle which touches all 4 vertices of ABCD. Now join AC and the midpoint is O. So join this O P. P must be midpoint of BC. This is called R, and OC is the capital R, means radius of outer circle. It is radius of inner circle, right? ये in circle और circum circle का meaning हुआ. So if AB is A, so small r is A by 2 and capital R is, let AC is the diagonal, that is √2 of A, and we need only half of diagonal OC, that means by 2. So it is A by √2. I write side by 2 is in radius, इस R को in radius अंत त्रिज्या बोलेंगे, इसको सरगम रेडियस परित्रिज्या बोलेंगे, राइट? सो इट इज साइड बाय √2. ए साइड है कि बी साइड, इससे फर्क नहीं पड़ना अपने को, राइट? नाउ फर्स्ट वी ड्रा द रेशो ऑफ आर रेशो कैपिटल आर. इट इज A by 2 and A by √2. Cancel out. It becomes √2 ratio 2. This 2 can be written as 2 into √2 and √2 cancel out. So it is 1 ratio √2. So finally small r and capital R are in the ratio of 1 ratio √2. Direct remember it and get your answer. After this explanation you can orally solve this example. So area of in circle छोटा बनाया, area of circumcircle that is outer circle, pi small r square, pi capital R square, ratio pi cancel out, 1 square ratio √2 square, that is 1 ratio 2. It means bigger circle, outer circle is twice the area of inner circle, right? Okay. Now see next example is calculate area ratio of inner circle to that of circumcircle of an equilateral triangle. स्क्वायर की जगह आपके बारे इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल आ गया. लेट ABC be an equilateral triangle. Draw a circle inside which touches all three sides. This circle is called incircle. Draw another circle which touches all vertices of ABC is called circumcircle. This is circumcircle. This is incircle. Okay. Now let O is the center of both circles. So draw AD. O is center. So small r is in radius, means radius of inner circle, and OA means capital R is the radius of outer circle. Capital R is radius of outer circle, means circumcircle, so circumradius, and small r is in radius. Now what is R? It is A by 2 root 3. What is capital R? It is A by root 3. So R ratio R is A by 2 root 3 ratio A by root 3. A by 3 cancel out, A by 3 cancel out. It is 1 by 2 ratio 1. This implies small r capital R is 1 ratio 2. Means outer circle has twice radius than inner circle. So area of inner circle smaller, ratio area of outer circle means larger, is pi r pi capital R cancel out. It is 1 square ratio 2 square 1 ratio 4 is the area ratio of inner circle to outer circle. Outer circle is 4 times area than the inner circle. The point is how this come. In equilateral triangle ABC, let A, B, C, draw AD, AD is height, and this is inner circle, this is outer circle, this is O. From geometry, we know it. If triangle ABC is equilateral triangle, so O is centroid, and centroid divides AD in ratio AO ratio OD, that is 2:1, because AD is height here, but in equilateral triangle height is median, and centroid O divides median in the ratio 2:1. So height is AD is root 3 by 2 of A, divide it in 2:1 ratio. So AO is equal to root 3 by 2A of by 2 plus 1 3 into 2. So it becomes A by root 3. 2 cancel out 2, and this root 3 and 3 and A becomes A by root 3. And similarly you can calculate small r, right? But use it directly. Okay. Now let's see. Very interesting and very important question is, let ABCD is a square, then calculate area of shaded region in first, in second, in third, right? Let's see. ABCD is a square. Let side AB is A in each case, first, second or third. So these 4 circles touches each other. It means radius of every circle is A by 2. You can see it, right? In this case also, if side is A, these are 2 semicircles having diameter BC and AB, BC and DA. So let it is the radius and it is the midpoint of sides of square. Again, let this is A, so this is diameter A and as well as side of square. So O is the center and A by 2 is radius, right? So 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 means 1 circle. Semicircle, semicircle means 1 circle, and it is completely 1 circle. So in each case required area is same, that is required area is equal to area of square minus area of circle. Then let it be A square minus area of circle pi r. R is A by 2. A by 2 square. Required area is equal to area of square minus area of circle, that is area of square is A square minus pi r. R is A by 2. Again equal to A square minus pi by A square by 4. Take A square common, it becomes 1 minus, and use pi 22 by 7. 22 by 7 4. So it is 2, it is 11. Again equal to a square 1 minus 11 by 14, that is equal to a square, take LCM 14. 14 minus 11, that is a square of 3 by 14, right? Or you can say r is equal to a by 2. So this implies a is equal to 2r. Put here, it becomes a is equal to 2r. So a square is 4r square into 3 by 14. That is 2, 7. So finally it is 2 into 3, 6 by 7 of r square, or 3 by 14 of a square. In terms of radius, it is 6 by 7 r square. In terms of side of square, it is 3 by 14 of a square, right? Okay. ABCD स्क्वायर की साइड या रेडियस ऑफ सर्कल दिया होगा तो हम डायरेक्ट इन दोनों में से कोई एक फॉर्मूला लगा के अपना आंसर ले आएंगे, राइट? सो वन थिंग मोर, दैट इज we can discuss it as directly in the terms of ratio. We can discuss it as in terms of ratio directly as area of ABCD ratio area of shaded ratio area of unshaded, that is equal to in terms of 3 by 4 a square. If whole ABCD area is 14, then shaded area is 3. So unshaded area is 14 minus 3, that is 11. Please make it formula for this, right? So now students, how it works, let me explain. ये कैसे काम करेगा. अगर अपने को ये मालूम है तो क्या बोलेंगे, let ABCD be an square, then calculate area of shaded region. यहाँ बोल देंगे if area of ABCD is 56 meter square. This new thing is given now. So instead of calculating total, if you know the ratio of ABCD shaded and unshaded, ABCD 14 यूनिट्स को यहाँ पे 56 बोला गया है, यानी कि इसका इंटू 4 टाइम्स. व्हाट इज शेडेड? शेडेड इज ऑल्सो इंटू 4, दैट इज 12. In this case 12 meter square is by answer, right? We can calculate what is unshaded. It is also into 4 times, that is 44 meter square. You can write it as 14 units means 56, 1 unit means 56 by 4, and what is the meaning of 3 unit? 56 by 4 into 3, that is 4 times, again 12. So ये 4 times अगर हम यहीं पे क्लियर कर लेंगे तो सबका निकाल पाएंगे. और इस पे वो उल्टा भी पूछ सकते हैं, इफ एरिया ऑफ शेडेड इज गिवन, देन व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ अनशेडेड एज वेल एज व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ प्रॉपर एबीसीडी स्क्वायर. In that case 3 unit is given to us 12, we can calculate other two also, right? It is important for us. Fine. Now let us see another important example. Let ABCD is a square, then calculate area of shaded region. Side of ABCD is A, let. So this blue color is part of circle because let B is center, it touches A as well as C, so it is quarter circle. Similarly center is D, it touches A and C as well, it is also quarter circle. So इस sector जो बन गया BAC, it is quarter circle of radius A. So required area is equal to, देखिए ए बी सी सेक्टर, टेक सेक्टर ए बी सी एंड दिस वन, एंड माइनस द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ए सी बी. इट मीन्स नाउ दिस पार्ट इज कैलकुलेटेड, राइट? एंड मेक इट डबल. सो ट्वाइस ऑफ एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर ए बी सी माइनस एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ए बी सी इज इक्वल टू twice of area of sector, that is pi r square, that is a square, angle is 90, it is into 90 by 360, that is quarter circle, minus area of triangle ABC 1 by 2 of A into A, base into height, right? Okay, it is 1 4. So take common a square by 2. 2 into a square by 2. Now it is pi 22 by 7. 4 से 2 common, so it becomes 2 now. Minus 1 because whole is taken out. 2 से 11. Next step is 2 से 2 cancel. A square, it is 11 by 7 minus 1. Again it is equal to a square bracket. Take LCM 7. So it is 11 minus 7. So it becomes 4 by 7 of a square. It is my area of shaded portion. Right? 4 by 7 is shaded. तो जो अनशेडेड ये बच गए कॉर्नर्स, इनको 3 by 7 of a square मिलेगा. Right? But important result after this solution, important result is we have to make ratio area of ABCD, area of shaded ratio area of unshaded. That means by this, if total area is 7, so shaded is 4, so unshaded is 7 minus 4, 3. This is important result. Shaded, unshaded and total. Right? If 7 is total, then shaded is 4 and unshaded is 7. Right? As previous question discussed, here we can put digit. Say ABCD square, then calculate area of shaded region. इधर क्या बोल देंगे? If area of ABCD is 56 meter square, right? Please note this. It is new question. If area of ABCD is 56. So 7 units stands for 56. It means 7 into 8. So it is also into 8, 32 is my answer, shaded. If unshaded is required, it is 24 meter square is my answer, right? So by this ratio, these type of questions becomes very easy. ABC is an equilateral triangle, then area of shaded region, that ABC be an equilateral triangle. So let AB is equal to A, means all sides is equal to A, and 3 circle touches each other. So we have to find this shaded area. So a side is A, then radius of each is A by 2, right? So required area is equal to area of a triangle ABC minus area of 3 sectors, right? Again it is under root 3 by 4 of A square, and it is 60 degree because of equilateral. It is 60 degree because of equilateral, 60 degree because of equilateral. So किसी एक का एरिया निकाल के ट्रिपल कर देंगे. माइनस 3 into pi means 22 7 by, it is pi r square theta by 360 na. Pi r means a by 2, pi into r square, that is a square by 4 into theta 60 by 360. Done. It is 1, it is 6. So 3 into 2. It means 3 sectors combinedly make a semicircle equal to root 3 by 4 of a square minus, take it as a pi a square by 4 into 2, this much. Take common a square by 4, it is root 3 minus pi by 2 is my answer, right? Now start. 3 sides of a triangle are 20 meter, 30 meter and 40 meter, means scalene triangle, respectively. To each of its vertex, a horse with 7 meter long rope is tied, means let ABC be any triangle, side of triangle 20 meter, 30 meter and 40 meter, right? Next point is, to each of its vertex, means A say, from A horse is tied with 7 meter long rope, it means this is 7 meter. From this also with 7 meter, it is 7 meter. From C also 7 meter. It means these horses cannot overlap to each other. So total area covered by horses means, what is the total area of these 3 sectors made? Let it be D, E, F, G, H, I, right? So our required area is area of sectors B, D, E plus C, F, G plus AHI, right? But we don't know the angles B, C or A. But length of rope is 7. It means radius of each sector is 7. So let it be theta 1, theta 2 and theta 3 is the angle. So pi 7 square into theta 1 by 360 plus pi 7 square of theta 2 by 360 plus pi 7 square theta 3 by 360. So next step, taking common pi 7 square by 360, it is theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3, sum of internal angles of triangle, that is equal to, make pi 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 by 360 into, this is 120 together. 7 cancel out 7, 180 to 2, 11, it is 11 into 7, that is 77 meter square is the required area which can cover these 3 horses together, right? Okay, if radius is same, then we can find the area. If radius is not same, means if length of one rope is 7, another is 11, third one is 8, then we cannot find. But in case equal, we can find. So another important point is area not covered by horses is equal to area of triangle minus area covered. You can calculate it easily because 20, 30, 40 is area, 20, 30, 40 is the side of scalene triangle. We can find area of ABC, and minus 77 is your area not covered by horses, right? Good. Now see another good one. A wire is bent in the form of a square of area 484 meter square, right? Let this is a wire of length L. It bent in the form of a square ABCD having area, that means A square is equal to 484 meter square, right? So can I find A? Yes. A is equal to 484 under the root, that is A is 22, right? If this wire bent in the form of a circle, स्क्वायर में ना बेंड करके इसको अगर सर्कल में बेंड किया होता तो लेट दिस इज आर, सो एरिया ऑफ सर्कल क्या होगा? बट लेंथ ऑफ वायर रिमेन्स सेम. इट मीन्स पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर 4a is L, circumference of circle 2 pi r is L. It means given to us 4a is equal to 2 pi r, because ये भी लेंथ ऑफ वायर होगा, ये भी लेंथ ऑफ वायर होगा, राइट? From here we can find r. So 4 into put a 22 is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r. 22 cancel out 22. This is 2. So this implies r is equal to this 2 and this 7 multiplied, that is 4. So r is 14. Area of circle is equal to pi. Pi मतलब 22 बटा में 7 गुना में r square. r is 14 and r square is 14 into 14. 7 to 14, that means 22 into 28, that means 616 meter square is the area of circle, right? The basic point is length of wire is same. And one important note is with same perimeter circle has maximum area, right?